I built this because the industry has it backwards. Everyone is racing to put a language model in charge of a booking. I wanted to prove the opposite is safer. So here, the model only proposes. My code decides every booking. Watch it next to a plain chat. This is the part I care about most. When the model invents a hotel that does not exist, the plain chat on the left books it anyway. My verification gate checks the reservation system, finds no match, and refuses to show it. The agent abstains instead of fabricating. And this is the piece that separates a demo from a product. The hotel rate expires after the flight is already ticketed. The plain chat still says all set, a stranded traveler. On my side, every step registered its own undo. The Saga fires, voids the ticket inside the 24-hour window, and the traveler is safe. I ran 200 bookings through both architectures, same seed, same injected failures. My side held 100% consistent, with 0 stranded travelers and 0 fabricated bookings. The plane agent's failures emerge from the very same events. That gap is by construction, not a lucky run. Take the model out of the control flow and put every booking on a state machine that can undo itself. That is the demo. This is Ashutosh, founder of Veriprajna, building true intelligence.